it is given that sine theta is 7 by 25, and we need to find out cos theta and tan theta. So here we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. This is trigonometric identity which we can use here, where sine square theta can be taken as 7 by 25 square, because sine theta is 7 by 25, which is already given. So here I will take 7 by 25 whole square plus cos square theta equals to 1. 7 square will give me 49, and 25 square, that is 625, plus cos square theta on its place equals to 1. Now keeping cos square theta on its place, 1 on its place, this is plus 49 by 625. When I'll bring it to the right hand side, it will become minus 49 upon 625. So cos square theta is actually 625 minus 49 upon 625. So we need to subtract 49 from 625. So cos square theta is actually 576 upon 625. So this way cos theta, 576 is perfect square of 24. So we can take square root of both the side. So here it will be 24 upon 25. So cos theta is 24 by 25. So we done with this cos theta. We need tan theta also. We know that tan theta is actually, this is the relationship between trigonometric ratio, that tan theta is equal with sine theta upon cos theta. So here sine theta is 7 by 25 upon cos theta is 24 by 25. Now, so tan theta, look, this 24 by 25 is in denominator. It is dividing. So when I'll bring it to the numerator, we will take reciprocal of this, that is 25 by 24, and it will multiply with the numerator. So this can be written as 7 upon 25 into 25 by 24. So 25 will get cancelled. So tan theta is 7 upon 24. So cos theta is 24 by 25 and tan theta is 7 by 24. And this is the procedure to find out cos and tan if sin theta is already given. Hope it is clear to everybody. Okay, look at this. If tan theta, it is already given that tan theta is 3 by 4. We need to find out sec theta and cos theta. So this is given information. The identity which we can use is 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. So I am going to use this identity in any one of those three you can use. That is sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1, or tan square theta equals to sec square theta minus 1, or 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. So we have three identities which are related with tan and sec. So any one of these three we can use for this question. So I am taking this one, 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta, where 1 will remain as 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta, that is 3 by 4 whole square, is equals to sec square theta. So 1 plus 3 by 4, that is 9 by 16 sec square theta. So sec square theta will become 16 plus 9 upon 16. So sec square theta is 25 by 16. So I'll take square root of both the sides. So on the left hand side, sec square theta will become sec theta. On the right hand side, 25 will become 5 and 16 will become 4. So sec theta is 5 by 4. Then I'll use interrelationship between trigonometric ratios for cos theta. Sec theta is 5 by 4. So cos theta, we know that cos theta is a reciprocal of sec theta. So cos theta is 1 upon sec theta. So this way cos theta is 1 by 5 by 4. So I'll bring this 5 by 4 in the numerator. It will multiply with 1 and it will become 4 by 5. So this is your cos theta, this is your sec theta if tan theta is 3 by 4. Hope it is clear to everybody. It is already given that cot theta is 40 by 9. So this is given information. We need to find out cosec theta and sin theta, and I am going to use trigonometric identity as 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. So here 1 plus cot is 40 by 9 whole square is equals to cosec square theta. Now 1 plus 40, that is 1600 upon 81 is equals to cosec square theta. So cosec square theta is 1681 upon 81. So cosec theta will become 1681 is perfect square of 41. So here we can take 41 upon 9. So this is the value of cosec theta. Now sin theta, sin is reciprocal of cosec. So sin theta is equals to 1 upon cosec theta. So here we can take sin theta is equals to 1 upon cosec theta is 41 upon 9. So sin will become sin theta is 9 upon 41. Sin theta 9 upon 41, cosec theta 41 upon 9. And this is your solution for this question.